guys, it's Isabella. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today's video is going to be an updated room tour. The last time I did a room tour was in 2016 and my room looks completely different. Insert clips here. But yeah, so right now obviously I'm in my room and I'm going to be showing you guys a full-on like what is in my room. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media, which will be like around here somewhere. And yeah, and if it's not here, it's down below, whatever. But so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. So this is my room. Here's a quick at a glance of the room, and then here's the door. So when you first walk in, if you come to the left over here, you see this dream big little thing that my mom probably got from Mardell's or Michael's. I have a lot of these wooden canvases on here in my room. Next I have my closet, and this is my Adidas workout bag. It's very nice. It holds a lot of stuff and I got it on sale. I think I don't remember where I got it, but it was really cheap and it was brand new. So my closet is a double door, and then if you come over here, you see me. My hair is kind of messy, but hey, this is my mirror, and it just looks like this. And I forgot to mention, I have some random Christmas stuff over here and autumn stuff. That stuff's just there for right now. And then on the side of my mirror is my bed. This furniture is from Rooms to Go, I believe. These love balloons up here are from Target from their Valentine's Day time, when they had this in their store for Valentine's Day. Then this pillow is from Target a few years ago. I also have a blanket from Target that's there like in the room somewhere, but I don't know where. This pillow, well, I don't know where my comforter is from, but I'll try to ask my mom and link all of the things that I don't talk about down below. And the fairy lights are from Amazon, stuffed animals from Target, and then the pillow behind the corgi is my pillow from Wish. So yeah, it's probably only $1. Then you come over here. Well, I should have, yeah, well, we're going this way. So over here is my bedside table. This is my lamp. My iPad is here. My watch is here. I have a devotional. I have some Polaroids. I have some lotion, water bottles, some candy, some more lotion, some food, some toe grip socks for Pilates, and I have a bunch of books, including my diary and some devotionals and some self-help books. Here, and this sign says hello. And then up here, this side wall says two things. This one is from Crackle Barrel. This one's from TJ Maxx. First one says "Want a Smooch," and this is so cute. I got this on my way back from West Virginia, I think, like maybe last year or the year before. And then this one just says "Just a girl was building her empire," and I thought it was really cute. And these are the 3 windows, so sorry for the light change, but 3 large windows. Right here is just a bunch of random stuff that I don't have space for anywhere else. So I just have like a notebook that I'm gonna make something out of for Zach. I have pictures from my other jobs that kids have drawn for me. I have a UNT transfer guide because I might be going there soon. I have some stuff, and then so that's that. And then I have some more books and stuff over here. That's where my folder is. I have a project in there. Then there's electronics and workout stuff. This is electronics. And then over here is my chair and other stuff that's like pillows and blankets and sweaters and stuff. And underneath here is my Canon camera case carrier thing. And then on the side here is my laptop cover. Right here, this is just a dress. I need to hang it. This blanket is from Nordstrom Rack. It was around Christmas time when we got it. And this other blanket's from Walmart. my old job, my boss at my old job gave me that for Christmas. And I have like some old stuffed animals like and stuff just because I have it in my room. Just it's like friendly and cute and stuff. Then I have this picture I took of myself for my photojournalism class when I was in high school my sophomore year. Next I have these necklaces. They're really dainty, some of them aren't. But then there's one that's real gold. It's the one in the middle, that one. But this is my dresser, by the way. Here's a good look at it. We're almost done with the tour, guys. Here's my dresser. Very nice. It's also from Rooms to Go, along with my bedside table over here. So right here we have more jewelry, and then we have a jar full of coins. Then I have a phone case, my passports. I need to give those back to my mom. I have some lotion, deodorants. I have like 3 or 4 mugs up here. And then I have some treatments for like my muscles when I work out really hard. This is Arnica gel. Then I have my speaker, my mini jam box by Jawbone. Then I have chocolate from Easter. I have headphones and earrings in there. I have more earrings in here. And then I have this thing that says, "You are my happily ever after." It's really cute. Then I have all my rings from James Avery and stuff in here, including some Kendra Scott earrings. My buck knife from Cabela's that Zach bought me. And then I have some more sporadic earrings and stuff, and I have 2 mascaras. And then I have makeup, some sporadic makeup, baby skin, melted, Tarte, Sex Kitten, mascara, stuff like that. And I have this I need to return to Francesca's because it broke the day after I bought it. Then I have my broken pop socket. I have a silver jewelry in there. Just a bunch of random stuff like tampons right here. Really not that much. I have this for a primer for my face because Tori Sterling talked about it a while ago, and I actually really like how the finish looks on my face. And it smells good too. So then I have my sunglasses, my normal glasses. And yeah. So, and over here there's just like more mugs and cough drops and stuff. So that's over there. And then the last part of my room, oh well, really quick, I have all these Bible verses surrounding my mirror because it was from my graduation board. I graduated high school a few years ago, almost 3 years ago, so that's crazy. It's been 3 years. So we are on the last part of the room tour. This is my makeup area. I do my makeup sometimes over here, but this is just where I store everything. Sorry, my camera moved. This is where I store everything, and this is the Alex 9 set drawer. I have some coins and you go into coin jar here. I have my candle lighter by Bic, and it's really cute. I got it at Walmart. And then this candle from Bath & Body Works, which is very very aesthetically pleasing. Then in the back we have this Love is Patient, Love is Kind little block thing. And we have some makeup brushes right there. And then we have lotion. And then there's a battery for my fairy light. And then the last thing I have here is Jesus Loves Me. And that is my room tour. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up for me and leave a comment down below letting me know any other video ideas you guys have for me, or if you just want to tell me something, I'll try to respond to all of my comments. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way your notifications are on and you will get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.